Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to subtract like fractions. Let's take an example. 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Here both the fractions are having the same denominator, that is 8. Hence they are like fractions. Now let's see the steps to subtract like fraction. The first step is to subtract the numerators. So 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Here the numerators are 5 and 2. Let's subtract them to find the difference. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now, the second step is to write the difference over the denominator. So, 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Here, the denominator is 8. The denominator does not change, it remains the same. We will only subtract the numerators and write it over the denominator. So, here the numerators 5 minus 2 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8. So here we got the difference of fractions as 3 by 8. Let's take some more example to practice subtraction of like fraction. 7 by 9 minus 1 by 9. The steps are to subtract the numerator and write it over the denominator. The denominator does not change. So let's do it. 7 minus 1 by 9, which is equal to 6 by 9. The next example, 2 by 8 minus 2 by 8, which will be equal to 2 minus 2 by 8. Subtract the numerators and keep the denominator same. So 2 minus 2 gives us a numerator 0 and the denominator remains the same, that is 8, 0 by 8. Next example, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Same step, subtract the numerators 3 minus 2 and write the denominator unchanged same, 4. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, so the fraction is 1 by 4. Students, now let's take a different example, 1 minus 1 by 10. 1 is a whole number, it is not a like fraction. So we have to first change it to a like fraction with denominator 10 so that we can subtract it easily. Students, now you have to use your previous knowledge. You have studied that when the numerator and the denominator is the same, then the fraction is equal to 1 or whole. So now to convert 1 into a like fraction, we can write 1 is equal to 10 by 10. Since the numerator and the denominator is 10, it is equal to 1 or whole. Now let's replace 1 by 10 by 10. So now we can write the sum as 10 by 10 minus 1 by 10. Now both the fractions are like fractions, so subtraction is very simple. We will subtract the numerators and write it over the denominator. 10 minus 1 by 10, which is equal to 9 by 10. Let's see another example. 1 minus 1 by 5. Now from the previous sum, students, you have got an idea that we have to convert 1 into a like fraction with denominator 5. Now when the numerator and the denominator is same, the fraction is equal to 1 or whole. So we will convert 1 into a fraction with denominator 5. So we can write 1 as 5 by 5. Now we can rewrite the question as 5 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Now subtraction is very simple. Subtract the numerators and write it over the denominator. So 5 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 4 by 5. Students, I hope you have understood how to do subtraction of like fractions.